here or not. You're doing something wrong, Stanley. Ain't the first one. Probably 5 of them laying around here. They don't even last 5 months. I don't even do construction for a living. They're being made here. Get somebody in quality control that's doing something right. If they're not making them here, make them here. It can't be that hard. You were making them good 30 years ago. When a guy can't buy a tape measure for $20 at the hardware store and have it last for 6 months or a year, there's something wrong. That's enough. Have a good day, everybody. It's aggravating, ain't it?